Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel JTech Up, a place where we share tech updates. And in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you on how you can make money by PDF editing, by editing PDF rather. So in making money by editing PDF, the first thing you have to do is you have to learn the basics on, and you have to know the software to use. You have to know how to use the software. Then before, the next thing you start doing is to start marketing yourself, that you can edit PDF files. So many people are out there looking for who can do this work for them, and I'm also one of the beneficiary of this initiative, editing PDF for people. Now, but let's go to Fiverr. Let's see how much people charge for them to just edit PDF for others. You can make money through Fiverr. You can make money by sharing on your status, telling people, marketing yourself that this is what you do. And you can also make money in other ways. Now let's get it cracking. We'll go to Fiverr. So we are on our Fiverr page. Okay, so I've already searched edit PDF, like those that do it. There are so many things, there are so many niche on this, but our main focus is edit PDF. So this one I said I will edit preferred, and okay, this one is about books. Okay, you can even edit books too with this process. Now this is one that caught my attention. It said I will edit PDF files or create fileable files for you. That's $5. So imagine you as an African, you make $5 by just editing a PDF document for someone. At least $5 is something. So you do it for different kind of people. So this person have done it for 228 persons, and this person have gotten over $100 by just doing this thing for people, and it doesn't really cost you much. Now if you want to know the software I use, this is the software I normally use for editing. So the name of the software is PDF Exchange. So you click, once you download it, you open it. Some people say, oh, where will I download it? Sorry, you download this, download it. The link to download it is on my description. All right, just check the description, you see the link. So once you open it, okay, just click on this, just download this, just click. I already have it. So but the first thing you have to do is click on this crack and read. Okay, just read this, follow the process. It's not hard. Okay, if you have any problem or any challenge, just drop it on my comment section. Drop it on the comment section if you have challenge in installing this. I will guide you through, but I just want to be as brief as possible. Now let's go back to Fiverr. Okay, so if you want to know how to start using Fiverr, that video is a different video. Probably I will create a video on that, but on a different niche, because I want to start doing advert video, because it's one of that. I want to start selling the niche on Fiverr. So if I'm creating the account, I will show you a tutorial on how I go about it. Then you can use that same process to create yours. So before you start doing anything on Fiverr, first know your niche, know where you want to go into, and your pricing too matters also. That is that. So that is that about Fiverr. Okay, but if you just want to still do it locally, advertise yourself on how to go about it. So let's get it cracking. So after installing the software, then you open it. This is the software here. Okay, once you open it, I've already opened a file. Okay, I've already opened a file, so I just have to change everything I've once did before. Now I just have to open the file. So once you open the file, if you want to now edit, you click on this edit here. You tap on anything you want to edit, just anything at all. Okay, as you're editing, you save. You edit, you save. If you want to save as, you can save as, you can save. If you want to just save it without obstructing the original copy, you can say save as. Okay, now once you can do anything, you can edit and write anything you want. Okay, so you can even do Ctrl+Z and all that. Now you can also edit anything you want to edit. Now this file, this CV, I did it on Canva. Okay, So I edited it on Canva, then exported it as PDF. So if you don't have Canva Pro, just find a way of getting Canva Pro. If you want to know how you can get Canva Pro, it's not free. You can message me on the comment section and I'll tell you on how to go about it. It's very, very cheap amount, okay? You can learn how to do it. Very, very cheap amount. It's not free. And how to do all these things. I did it on Canva, I export it as PDF. So instead of going back to Canva to start burning my data and all those things, so I just come and re-edit from here and do it for people. I even have someone that wants to even do it for now, the same template, just to change some things. Just copy paste, and that's all. And I made my money. So that is it. Now the next thing you are going to do is after editing, you save, okay? Now, if this is not the person's picture, you want to change the picture, you need to have a knowledge of graphics, okay? You can either go through Pixel Lab to do this, or if you can't do it on Pixel Lab, you have CorelDRAW idea, you do it. So I'm going to show you how to do it on CorelDRAW. So this is one I did, but I'm going to show you. Okay, let me leave it there. I'm going to show you how I did this, okay? Now, this image, I've already removed the background through Canva Pro, but if you don't have Canva Pro, I can show you another place you can go to remove background. So to remove background of an image, okay, you just go to remove BG, okay? It's a free tool, just click on it. Now, which image do you want to use? You have to just upload the image. The quality of the image will be bad, but just manage it that way. So I'm going to go to downloads, look for one of my pictures. Okay, let me just use this picture. It's not the picture I'm using, but let me use this picture. Okay, then I will see the background. Just click on download. Once you download, it's already on your downloads, okay? So, and I go to my CorelDRAW, then come here, come to my downloads. This is the image here, right? Then you take it to your CorelDRAW, and it's not sharp enough. It's not sharp enough. So next thing, I take my tools and, okay, then I change the background of the circle to white. Alright, the best is Canva Pro. I don't use this, but I use Canva Pro. So you click on this and you edit. You adjust the image. It's not sharp enough. I know that this image is not really nice, but so next thing I can do is probably, let me just go to my bitmap and auto adjust. Okay, Ctrl Z. I'll go to my bitmap, image adjustment lab. Let me just increase the temperature. No, take back temperature, then saturation, then brightness. Okay, take down back brightness, then contrast. Okay, so just play around. So obviously it's more better. Then you close bitmap. So this is just it. So next thing you have to do is you export. Okay, you export as just any name, it goes to your desktop. Okay, then you export as PNG. Okay, cancel. The next thing I have to do is to remove airline. Click none, then export as PNG. Make sure you select PNG and make sure you click selected only. Then you export, replace it. Okay, I have to replace the old one, then click OK. Now then you go back to your app, then you now right click and say change, replace image. Then you locate the image on your desktop, double click, and that is it. So now this is how you can edit it. If you don't have Canva Pro, you can just use that website to do that. So I've come to the end of this video and I've shown you how you can make money through Fiverr or by telling people on your status, WhatsApp status, Facebook, that if you want to edit your PDF documents, I can do that for you. So many people are looking for those that can do it for them, like you can see on Fiverr too. So sell yourself on Fiverr. If you don't know how to create a Fiverr account, don't worry. My next video, I'm going to still show you how to create a Fiverr account. And lastly, the Opera News I wanted to teach. The Opera News website is faulty for now. It's not opening, so I won't be able to create a video on how to make money through Opera News. And till then, see you in the next video. Once the software, the website is open, I'm going to create a tutorial on how you can make money through Opera News. See you in my next video. Thanks.